Hey guys, it's BEC Plumbing. Well, this is actually the Kohler Kingston with bedpan lugs. It didn't come with the box. But today we're going to be unboxing not only that, but we're going to start by unboxing this because it's our what I got. This is a wall mount toilet carrier. This is parts of it. This is just parts of it, but all parts of a wall mount toilet carrier setup. Very cool. This is the carrier for the toilet. I don't know exactly how this goes together, but these bolts don't. Looks like this threads in like that. Sorry if I'm spending so much time on the wall mount toilet carrier, but now let's unbox what I've been waiting for quite a while. This did not take very long to get in. So, looks like it's right there. Put this all right here, and sorry about this. Here is a Kohler Kingston with bedpan lugs. This is a 1.6 gallon model. Looks like it's got a few scrapes on it, but nothing major. This is the back of it. As you can tell. But this is really cool. that will be it. Thank you for watching.